This is 2554. We gotta go into the next apartment, and the next apartment is apartment 5. So here we are, same thing. With the kitchen is the same story. Yeah, we removed that part because it was full of mold, and we had to get rid of it. It was mold and mildew and all kinds of bad stuff behind it, so we had to patch that here. We also had to cut out some of the sections of the floor because of the finished floor damage. Pushed the wood together, it was like a mountain buckle, we would be unable to repair it. It seemed kind of irreparable. So over here in this apartment, we gotta fill in the void with plywood, and we gotta go with the laminate over that place. We have a few apartments like that. Well, these appear here. We gotta put the real sheetrock and plaster, and we gotta get rid of these damages and repair it. We are in the first bedroom, getting clean. This is gonna get sanded, leveled, laminated. Bathroom, same story with the bathroom, same damages. That little sheetrock here is gonna be replaced. We gotta replace that sheetrock with, even though it doesn't have mold, it's been sterilized. So, over here in the bedroom, same story, sanding, repairing, and the machines are here already. We gotta start machining it. None of these doors were good, so they wouldn't close, they wouldn't hold anything, so we had to replace all the interior doors. So this is apartment 5. Now we're moving into next apartment.